Did you ever make sense of why God puts good people through such hardship?
Oh, man. I think it's all about understanding how much we need God. And I don't think that there's any light without the dark. I think that if all of us were happy all the time, there would be, no reason to turn to God ever. I feel like there would be no concept of, good or bad. And I think that as much of like the darkness and the evil that's in the world, it makes us all appreciate the good and the things we have so much more. And I think, like when I had my accident, one of the first things I said to one of my best friends was, and this was within like the first month or two after my accident, I said, everything about this accident has just made me understand and believe that like God is real and that there really is a God, basically, and that like my interactions with him have all been, real and worthwhile. And he said, if anything, seeing me go through this accident, he believes that there isn't a God. And it's a very different reaction. But I believe that it is a way for God to test us, to build our character, to send us through trials and tribulations, to make sure that we understand how precious, he is, and the things that he's given us and the time that he's given us. And then to hopefully grow from all of that. I think that's a huge part of being here, is to not just, have an easy life and do everything that's easy, but to step out of our comfort zones and really challenge ourselves, because I think that's how we grow.